Warren Buffett, 7 things to avoid wasting your money. Do you want to succeed in life? Do you want to live with all the possible comfort? We are sure your answer is yes. Today we will talk about managing your finances better and controlling unnecessary expenses. 1. Neglecting personal development. According to Buffett, the best investment one can make is in oneself. Enhancing skills and education can boost earning potential significantly. Knowledge and abilities are assets that no one can take away from you. 2. Relying on credit cards. Credit cards can be convenient, but high interest rates can quickly overshadow any benefits if you don't pay the full balance monthly. Buffett advises against needless spending that could lead to credit card debt. 3. Buying new cars. Cars are notorious for their rapid depreciation. Buffett recommends buying pre-owned cars and holding on to them for as long as they're reliable, instead of falling for the allure of the new models. 4. Used gym memberships. Buffett promotes an active lifestyle but cautions against unused gym memberships. Free or low-cost fitness routines can be just as effective if regularly practiced. 5. Regular nights out. While socializing is essential, frequent nights out can be a significant expense. Opting for budget-friendly alternatives like home-cooked meals and movie nights can cut costs considerably. 6. Gambling. While gambling might seem like a shortcut to wealth, Buffett emphasizes the importance of understanding the odds. He urges people to make financial decisions that favor their long-term wealth accumulation, not momentary thrills. 7. Smoking. Smoking, beyond its health implications, is a costly habit. Quitting can lead to a significant boost in your personal budget.